Hey there, apartment investors. Ready to unlock your rental income potential? Today, I'm diving into lease negotiation tips to help you maximize your rental income and boost your investment success. Let's get started. First up, understanding market dynamics. You gotta stay informed about current rental trends, vacancy rates, and the demand-supply balance in your area. Conduct thorough market research to position your properties competitively and set realistic rent levels. It's all about knowing what's happening around you. Next, comparables analysis. This means analyzing rental rates and lease terms at similar properties. Look at unit size, location, and amenities to get insights into achievable rental rates and common lease terms. It's like having a roadmap for your pricing strategy. Now, let's talk about identifying demand drivers. You need to understand what's driving rental demand in your area. Is it job growth, proximity to public transportation, quality of schools? These factors influence tenant preferences and can justify higher rents or premium amenities. Know your market's hot buttons. Moving on to optimizing lease terms for cash flow. Consider offering flexible lease durations, short-term or long-term, to attract a broader range of tenants. Shorter leases let you adjust rents more frequently, while longer leases offer income stability. It's all about balance. Don't forget rent escalation clauses. Include these clauses in your leases to allow for annual rent increases tied to inflation or market conditions. This helps protect your rental income from inflation and keep pace with rising market rates. Keep your earnings in check. And then, tenant retention incentives. Offer small perks for renewals like minor upgrades or a one-time discount. Retaining reliable tenants reduces turnover costs and stabilizes cash flow. A happy tenant is a long-term tenant. Now let's talk negotiation techniques. Start with benchmarking and anchoring. Use data from comparable properties to set an initial anchor rent slightly higher than your target rate. This gives you room to negotiate while maximizing income potential. Smart moves, right? Understand tenant priorities. Identify what matters most to prospective tenants: flexibility in lease terms, utility inclusions, or parking availability. Negotiate accordingly to reach mutually beneficial agreements. It's all about finding that sweet spot. Consistency and fairness are key. Maintain consistent lease terms and be transparent about your policies. This ensures fairness across all tenants and prevents misunderstandings. Clear communication builds positive tenant relationships. Finally, a quick example. Suppose you're researching local rental listings and lease transactions. Compare recent lease transactions and rental listings for similar properties within a 1-mile radius. Look at unit sizes, amenities, and rental rates. Determine if your property's rental rates are aligned with the market or if there's room for optimization. Knowledge is power. There you have it. Key concepts in lease negotiation to help you unlock your rental income potential. Thanks for watching and happy investing.